show that the square root of 72 divided by 98 equals to plus or minus 6 divided by 7. Solution. Now, we have square root of 72 divided by 98. Now, we can reduce this first. What number will divide both 72 and 98? 2. So that we can, because 72 here is not a perfect square. 98 also is not a perfect square. So, if there is a way we can reduce this so that we can have perfect square numbers at the numerator and also at denominator. So we can say 72 divided by, this plus or minus, 72 divided by 2, 36. And 98 divided by 2, what do we have? 49. We have reduced this. And we know that if you simplify this further, 36 is same thing as 6 squared. And 49 is same thing as what? 7 squared. Because that's 7 times 7. 36 is 6 times 6. That's 6 squared. So this equals to plus or minus. When you find the square root of 6 squared, what do we have? 6. When we find the square root of 7 squared, what do we have? 7. Now the answer equals to plus or minus 6 over 7. And we're asked to show that what? Square root of 72 divided by 98 equals to plus or minus 6 over 7. And we solve this problem from the left and we're able to achieve the answer at the right. So that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.